Ya alima sirri minna la tatiki sitara adna wa'afina wa'fu anna wa kullana haitsu kunna.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ismi Raisul Faiz, Anak bin Khatam Lumpang 2. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Faslun wa syara'itu wujubil jizyati khamsu khisalin. Al-bulughu wal aqlu wal hurriyatu wal dhukuriyatu wa an yakuna min ahlil kitabi aw mimman lahu syubhatul kitabi. 5 conditions. First of all, they are baligh and they have brain and they have freedom and they boy and they want to learn classical book kind of like Indian or kind of Taurat and Zabur. At least they have to pay 1 dinar for a year. For example, they pay this year 1 dinar, and if it is un-Muslim rich men or are not many people, so they have to pay 2 dinar. And they are rich men, so they have to pay 4 dinar a week, a year. We can plus the jizya if we give them the food, if we give them the jamuan, so we can plus the jizya. And they have to get ready for condition if they stay in Muslim area, in Muslim country. First of all, they have to pay the jizya, they have to pay the tax, as what we already have before, 1 dinar for a year. And they have to follow the rule of Islam. We have to follow the rule of Islam. For example, we cannot open our aurat, so they have to cover their head by the jilbab. And they cannot swear to his friend, to her friend, to their friend. They cannot swear about Islam, except if they say Islam is really good, because Islam is they have each others. And they have to wear different shirt with us. For example, we wear white shirt, and they have to wear black shirt. And they have to use the belt. In order we can make difference between which one Islam and which one un-Islam. And they cannot ride a horse, except if they want to ride a keledai.
Inggrisnya keledai.
Okay, that's all from me. I ended by saying Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.